Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want your website to look professional in browser tabs and bookmarks, adding a favicon is a must. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do so in Webflow and in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com, tap on the link, then open your website by logging in using your email address and password. So now, we have basically all of these options. We have our settings here, we have the search. Basically, we have everything here. So we're gonna go back to the site settings. Okay, it will take some time, and here we go. So it's basically our project settings. As you see, we have this web clip. You can also upload the icon if you want to. Then we have this favicon. So by scrolling all the way down, we have this upload option. As for now, you should go and upload your basically favicon by uploading a square image. Ideally 32, basically 32 or even I don't know, actually, it depends on you, it's your choice. Make sure you go and look for a good quality image and upload it. After being fully done, make sure you save it, then hit publish to publish on your website. Refresh the browser's cache also sends hard refresh if you don't see it immediately. You can use PNG or ICO format. Then keep the design simple and match your brand colors. That's the important part. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.